welcome back to another video in the how-to series on the Tesvor X500Pro. What we're going to be going through today is the remote control. So let's get started.
Alright guys, so with remote control you need to take the back off. It doesn't come with any batteries, so you'll need to make sure you've got a couple of batteries ready. Pop that in. Alright guys, so I'll quickly take you through the remote control. So once you put the batteries in, the time will come up. There's a film on the top of it. You can peel that off. Some people like to leave it on. Okay, so it's pretty simple and straightforward. You've got an on and off button. Okay, so you've got a smart cleaning mode. You press that and basically it goes through its systematic clean, and as the button suggests, it just simply goes up and down, up and down, up and down. And you'll see it when you're watching it. It does a really good systematic clean, avoids obstacles, and keeps that systematic clean going. You've got a home button where it will maneuver its way back to home. For whatever reason, if it doesn't remember where home is, it will always manage to work its way back. It will just basically follow the walls and re-find where home is, which is the docking station, so no issues there. Also, you've got this center button, which is again, play and stop. That's almost, you can use that to wake it up and put it into smart cleaning mode also. And then also you can then literally point it at the unit and you can direct it to wherever you want. So if you want to take it to where there is some specific dirt, you can basically point it at the dirt and then press smart cleaning mode and it will start smart cleaning. Okay. Other things, you've got fan speed. So with the remote control, you can basically put it into two different speed modes. So one just is a little bit more quieter than the other. I find on floorboards and tiles, I use the low speed. Or if I'm actually in the room or I want it to be a bit quiet, I'll use the low speed. Otherwise, I'll use the higher speed all the time on carpets. You've also got here an edge cleaning mode, because a lot of the times you find that a lot of the dust ends up gravitating along all the skirting boards. So if you press edge clean, it'll walk its way to the edge and start cleaning all your edges. You've got time. So if you press this here, let's set the time. So what time is it? It is 5 o'clock, so that's 1700 hours, and it is 7 minutes past. Okay, press play, and that's now set. And timer, if you want it to come on at a specific time every day. So I want it to come on after I've gone to work. I want it to come on at say 9 AM. Okay, so if I press that again, there you go, 9 AM. All right, so what will happen now is automatically it will come on at 9 AM every morning and start cleaning your house when you're at work or wherever you are. And for whatever reason, if it comes on and you want it to go back to its station, again, press home. So it's very simple and straightforward. I won't go into the detail of Alexa or Google Assistant just yet. I'll probably do that in a separate video. But again, really, really straightforward and simple.
All right, guys, so I hope you found that informative. And again, the remote control unit, it's fantastic. It's very basic and straightforward, very easy for the average person to be able to use. Again, if you're interested in more tech and you want to be able to use your smartphones or iPads and so forth to control the devices, that function is there, and there is a bit more functionality in those devices versus just the remote control itself. So if you want to check out those videos, go check them out. They're in the playlist for the X500Pro. Otherwise, I think anyone can pretty much use this, so they'll have no issues whatsoever. All right, I hope you like the content. And I hope you find the videos informative. Any comments or questions, drop them in the section below. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in all the content I'm putting together. Otherwise, if anyone wants to purchase one, maybe send them the link. They're pretty much available sort of all over the world now. They're popping up everywhere. So yeah, I shall see you in the next video. See you guys. Bye.